Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all have been doing good in your life and you all are in the pink of health, right? If I'm not wrong, please let me know in the comment section. So, today I'm going to tell you something very different. Today, what I have brought on the table, can you guess? No? Okay, let me tell you. So, today's video is totally different. Today, first, I will tell you something, and the second part is I will talk about any topic. Suddenly, I will pick any topic and I will talk for 2 minutes. This is a jam practice. If you know, then let me tell you, jam means just in minute. Means I have to talk, I have to pick up any topic and I will talk for 2 to 3 minutes maximum. Okay, so let's see how it goes. I'm doing it first time. I don't know that I'm going to accomplish it or not, but let's see how it's going to be. So, first, I would like to tell you that learning English would seem very easy, right? But it is not as easy as we think. Let me tell you my story. When my father shifted my school from an Hindi medium to English medium, it was not Hindi medium school, I would say. Entire education was English medium, but teacher was speaking in Hindi, right? But after some time, when my father shifted me in English medium school, means it was the environment was totally purely English. Not even a single teacher was speaking Hindi. But for me, it was a great challenge. Something very terrible happened with me. It was like I was afraid of that how I will tackle with all these people. Everyone is talented, everyone is clever. How I would tackle with them. It was a great challenge for me. I thought that what should I do now? My mother always persuade me that Kriti, don't worry, everything will be fine. Don't worry. And you know, when I was young, I was introvert. I don't like to talk with anyone. Now I have become an ambivert, I can say, but still I feel I have that fear that what I would speak in front of great speaker or someone is great to me. Always I had this fear. What should I do now? Then I thought, no, I have to, if I have put myself, my parents have put me here, so I have to break the ice. And breaking the ice is not easy, guys. It is not easy. If you want to start something, if you want to improve yourself, so you have to cross a limit. You have to set some, you have to cross some boundaries, right? So I started talking. I started talking with my friends, with my teachers, and this is how I improved. But you know, something most terrible happened when I went to college because in college none of the student was speaking in English. None of them was speaking in English. I said, what is happening with my life? Once I have admitted in English medium school, then I shifted it here. So everything was totally messed up, right? I was like rolling out for all thing. But I keep patience and I go with the flow. I don't bother about English too much. I just go with the flow. However, I can understand Hindi also and English also. So it was going, but after when the 2025 arrived, I thought once that what I'm doing right now, even I'm not speaking English, I forget each word, whatever I have learned in my school, because the relation has break down somewhere. Because I felt probably because I was not practicing enough. That's why the practice has gone somewhere. I felt like now I'm not able to speak anything. I used to speak, like in school, I have learned a lot. So I thought, let's start and give a shot to this language. Then I started learning this language, and you can see it's October month, right? And it's been going to be a one after 2 to 3 months it will complete 1 year. So I can see that I have improved myself a lot in terms of speaking, and I can see the confidence level also. Now I Before I was not able to speak anything, but now Due to doing lots of practice, I can talk on any topic. Whatever you are going to give me, I can talk on that. So, guys, I would recommend you all that only 2 to 3 months are left just to complete 1 year. So please go and start your English journey, that you should not have that regret at the end of the month, at the end of the year, that I have not learned this language. Every day you plan that okay, I will learn today, but you end up by doing nothing, right? So if you are someone who is still struggling with this problem, please make a schedule, make a plan, and start working on that. You will see a result, right? So, just this thing I want to share with you all. I hope that you have understand. And the second part is still awaiting for you all. So, don't go ahead anywhere. Just wait for that also. So, the second part is quite interesting. That is, I am going to uh, s- uh, add jam technique in my spoken English. Means I just want to not talk only about English. I just want to include some topic also, so that you all can get an overall idea, or you can say you can get an sample that how I can inculcate this habit, right? So without wasting a minute, just go ahead and see how I'm going to do that. Okay. So today's topic I am going to choose home. Okay. So let's talk on that. So for me, if I talk about home, home is the best and the best place for me where I just want to live in. I like thinking about home. I like talking about home. I like everything about home. Okay. For me, what is home? Let me tell you. For me, home is what where my parents are there. Okay, where my families are there. For me, what make home? For me, my brother, my mother, my father, they all make home for me. It's a warm to my heart to be around to my family member. I always feel calm and composed, and I it's bring a nice feeling to be around your house, around your family member, right? Isn't it? So for me, home is the best place where I can live in. I can, and for, and of course my bed and chair, table, everything make me cozy, comfortable. I feel very relaxed whenever I am at my home. Okay, right now still I am at my home and learning this language from my home only. Okay, for so home is let me tell you the what how my home looks like. So I have a very small home where four members are there: me, my father, mother, and my brother. We all four make a beautiful home, or a nice. I feel very calm, I feel very relaxed whenever I live in my house. And whenever I go somewhere, I just think about my home, that when I reach there, I want to come back as fast as possible. Okay. So this is what that make me so peaceful, that give me so peace in my mind whenever I am at my home. Okay. So this is how I have talked about home. I hope that you have liked this video. If yes, you have liked this video, please hit the subscribe button and like it. I will meet you in the next video, and I will catch you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and happy learning.